Sorry, my name is Onupa, a former server moderator and also a consultant for a trading script called Market Cipher. Market Cipher is arguably one of the best trading script out there, without a doubt. And if you're new to trading, I would recommend this script for you. It gives you insight into the right direction of an asset. It's a well structured company as well. They do have a Discord that guide traders all over the world, new traders, to understand how trading works using a simplified script called Market Cipher. So today's video, we are talking about what's happening with Bitcoin, and this is a part I think 12 or 13, and I am on a weekly time frame, which is a very significant time frame, and I'm looking at the very direction of price, and this is my support line. What if price comes down to the support line? This is almost like 11,000, 10,000 before it skyrockets. I'm looking at the very direction of my money flow as well. This is a weekly time frame. I'm expecting to see something like this. And I'm seeing my momentum waves crossing the oversold territories. This is the oversold territories. This is a region whereby the price of an asset reaches as like that is the end for it to go down. So now it's probably heading towards the uptrend. Let me repeat that again. A line or an oversold line is a line whereby if the price of Bitcoin is being dumped or the price of an asset is being dumped, it shows it's an indication line, more or less like it shows you the final stages of the price. It's like price is not really going down again. There's the last stop for price. So when momentum crosses this line is a negative 60 line, and it starts curving back and probably registers a green dot, it means this is a time for an uptrend. I am in a weekly time frame, so I'm expecting to see such moves. If price touches this point at 10,000, I'm expecting a price. So I'm not saying Bitcoin is going to 10,000, but I'm just saying based on a very script and based on the direction of price, I'm expecting price either touch this line, then start skyrocketing up. If that happens, then I'm seeing Bitcoin being bullish. Other than that, we're still in a bearish market. It's normal. If you're new to crypto, realize that there is big difference between the technology and the currency. The currency is the one being traded. The technology is already sound. So if you want to understand crypto for yourself, well, understand the technology, not the currency per se, because the currency is very speculative and very volatile. So now is the time to either learn more. If you are asking questions like, should I buy Bitcoin now or should I not? This is not the time to be asking questions. This is the time to be reading and understanding the technology first. So of course, we've already talked about the direction of momentum and the direction of liquid. This is liquid. If you're new to Market Cipher, this is liquid. This is liquidity, and it's green means it's in the positive territory. It means money is in the assets. When green starts going down to red, it means money is leaving the assets. So we are tracking the direction of money flow. Since I'm not a big player, I'm not a whale, I'm not smart money, so I need a reference data that gives me insight into the very direction. That's the difference between me being part of the 10% of traders who are winning and the 90% of traders who are losing. I have a script that tracks momentum, this one, and tracks money flow, which is this one. So I can literally tell the direction of these two, and I can make my financial entries on it. But well, if you're holding Bitcoin for the long term gain, you don't really have to sell it. It's like Bitcoin has this appreciating value every 4 years. It goes through what we call the halving. The halving is more or less like whereby the supply of Bitcoin is sliced into two. So once the supply keeps going down and demand for the asset keeps going up, I don't want to speculate about the price, by the way. So my goal is to teach people to understand the very technology and also the fundamentals. If you want to trade as part of the game, but again, you have to have insight first. Trading is not for everybody. Most people think they can trade, but they can't unless you take time or probably have a script that helps you. So again, that's why I will recommend Market Cipher to you. Market Cipher is by far the best scripts out there. They do have an academy of vetted and audited traders all over the world that can take you through trading. And the testimonials are enormous. They do have a Discord account whereby You can join a community of traders all over the world to interact and share ideas. This is basically Market Cipher for you. And yep, this is Bitcoin. What's happening? And every day there has to be something or a video that more or less highlights the direction of Bitcoin, so that people who don't have the script will understand the very direction of Bitcoin or any other asset that you're trying to trade. Market Cipher more or less like simplifies it for me. It tracks liquidity and it tracks momentum. These are the two most special ingredients that I need, or influential oscillator that you need to trade. So of course, until then, have a nice day, people. Peace.